Hello and welcome to Polaris Mobility's online training and tutorial videos. These brief videos will help you quickly learn how to use various features of our platform. In today's session, we're going to walk you through the concept of what regions are. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and navigate over to the ride list view. On the ride list view, you're going to see under the details that we actually will define regions associated with each of these rides. I'll walk you through the region configuration in just a moment, but regions are meant to be able to give your dispatchers the ability to look at where the rides are coming from based off of a region of a specific geographic area. It could be a city, it could be a county, and so forth. For example, in Atlanta, it could be north, south, east, and west Atlanta, and you can group those areas by one or multiple zip codes. Every time a ride gets created into the system, we're going to look at the pickup zip code to determine what best region to tag to that. And that configuration can be found in this gear icon with your settings within your transportation provider. So let's click on that and you'll see the settings. In our example here, I've got 3 regions that are set up, region 1, 2, and 3. And you can see that regions are no more than a grouping of one or multiple zip codes, so that when the ride comes in with a valid zip code, it finds a match and it tags the ride with a specific region. The other thing that we do is when we create drivers into the system, we can also go ahead and we can tag their regions based off of their address that they're associated to. You can see for these drivers here, I haven't associated a specific region to them, but for these bottom 3, they are associated to regions. We'll show you more about why that's relevant in just a moment. So if I come back over here to my ride list view, I now can come in here and I can filter specific rides based off of those regions. So now I can look at specific rides based off of where they're coming from and where they're going to. So I'm looking at my region 2 rides here. And now what I can do is, because I'm also tagging not only the rides region, but also the driver's region, I can use the region information to determine which best drivers to assign these rides to. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that a driver that's in a specific region can only do those rides. It's meant to be a planning tool so that when you're actually assigning and scheduling those rides to drivers, you know generally where they're starting and where they're working into. Again, the region information can also be used on the back end side for billing purposes based off of contractual rates, where you might be associating specific regions like rural and semi-rural regions differently from metro area regions as well. And you can bill based off of those contract needs. For more information, please contact us at info@polarismobility.com or at 857-816-9733. Thank you.